gentlemen, look what we got today. I know I teased this in a video the other day. Excuse me. 2007 Peterbilt 379 powered by the Cat C15 twin turbo. And I know guys like to single turbo these trucks out, these C15 acerts, but look, we did one better. This truck just completed a platinum, that's right, platinum, not gold, not bronze, platinum overhaul. On top of that, this truck is gonna have OPT, overhaul protection. That's a warranty. That's a 4-year warranty on a 2007 with 1.5 million miles. We get into such good condition, such perfect overhauling, such great work. Who else does this? Come on. And I'm gonna show you under the hood here in a sec too, but first let's just take a second to respect and appreciate this beauty. All these comments I got on the Freightliner, hey, where's the Peterbilt? It ain't a Peterbilt, where's the Peterbilt? This is it. We don't do Peterbilts every day because you can't find these old Peterbilts every day in a worthy condition of even purchasing and even trying to put the money into. This one was worth the time, worth the money. Again, C15 acert, fresh platinum overhaul, 13-speed, 336 rear ends, aluminums, obviously, bunch of trim, bunch of chicken lights, and yes, we're going to fix that last chicken light right after this. That's actually the last project. That's the last thing left. Look at that carrier APU even. Come on. Who else? All virgin rubber. And I said 07 with 1.5 million miles. Look at this low air leaf suspension. Have you ever seen a truck this clean at this age? That isn't a show truck? I mean, this is basically a show truck. It's probably better than a lot of show trucks, really. But, come on. Look at those tanks. Couple shining tanks. Look at that. Look at that battery box. Look at those trim. Look at that trim. Look at those heat shields. Got plenty of mirrors going on. This guy's king of the road. He's going to be king of the road. Because that's how we set up our customers here at Truck Center Company's MANKATO. Okay? Come on. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I can clean my teeth out in that reflection. It's so freaking clean. Unbelievable. Our detailer Dave back here, no one does it like him. Nobody. Let's hop up. Take a look at the interior. Just as good as the exterior. I mean, come on. Look at that. All right? Look at that. Okay? And yeah, it all works. Everything works. One remaining was, okay, so I told you we got to do the chicken light. We're also going to get this dash trim piece. Guess what Peterbilt gets for that dash trim piece? Anyone? $160. Okay? That's what I mean by, you pay for the red oval. But this one's worthwhile. Some of these new Peterbilts, let's just say they don't hold a candle to a new Western Star, a new Cascadia, but there's something timeless, I must admit, on these old 379s. I must admit. And I'm not ashamed of it. Look at that steering wheel. Look at the chrome gauges all around, okay? Okay? Look at that. The chrome, it's just a perfect balance of chrome and wood grain. Perfect balance. I mean, who wouldn't feel like king of the road ripping down this thing? We got to have Reg watch out, though. Who wouldn't want this, okay? And this could be you. We can find more of these, too. You looking for something like this? Give me a shout. My name and number are in the description below. 506, just in case you're listening, Sam Schmitz, Truck Center Company's MANKATO. Cell phone 507-384-1482. Not afraid to put it out there. Give me a call. Happy to talk to anyone. Or also, if you're looking to get rid of something like this, give me a shout.
Let's take a look under the hood.
There it is. C15 acert with the fresh platinum overhaul. This is an incredible accomplishment here by the MANKATO Truck Center Company's MANKATO Service Department. Pulling off the platinum overhaul for a very, very special, very important customer of ours. And that's how we do it. Get a little look down low. Totally beautiful. All right. Look at that. Look at that. Just for the proof. See if we can zoom her in here. And see that. Fresh overhaul stamp. All right. Zoom back out. There we go. Come around to the other side. Why don't we? Why don't we check it out? Just as clean with those beautiful twin turbos. I know some people have had better or worse luck with these things, but this is gonna have warranty on it for 4 years. Guy is not gonna have to worry. So, there we go. We've all seen a Caterpillar engine, but we've never seen one quite as beautiful as this.
That ought to do it. Woo!